Want to make delicious fried rice at home in just a few easy steps? Let me show you how.
First, heat some vegetable oil in a large frying pan over medium heat. Add your onions, carrots, green peas, sweet corn, and green pepper. Stir fry for about 3 minutes until slightly tender. Now add your curry, thyme, seasoning cubes, and a little salt. Stir everything together to bring out the flavor. Add the cooked rice gradually, mixing well so the rice absorbs all the delicious flavors. Add your diced cooked liver and stir everything together for another 2 minutes. And just like that, your delicious homemade fried rice is ready to serve. Quick, colorful, and absolutely tasty!
Try this recipe today and follow for more easy, delicious meals.